Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to start a new Django project. We're going to get started with something like Google Classroom. Okay, it's going to be something like Google Classroom. If you haven't used it before, you can go to classroom.google.com. It's basically a way for a teacher to create assignments, grade assignments, have a gradebook feature. Also, student can view assignment, submit assignment, stuff like that. Yeah, so I think we'll go ahead and get started with Google, making a Google, something like a Google Classroom. So as always, since it's a Django project, the first thing we need to do is execute Django admin, start project. We're just gonna call it Classroom. How about that? Yeah, and then we can open it in VS Code, like we always do. All right, and then we can full screen it. And then we're going to, of course, create a virtual environment. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna delete this folder. Gonna try that again. I'm not sure what's giving an error. Never seen that before. Alright, well that's a great start. Let's Google it. Virtual in Python not working. Let me copy the error. Oh. Okay, wait. Alright, let's see. Maybe specifying the Python executable you want to use via -p. Looks like no, it's now using your Anaconda Python. Oh, perfect. Okay, yeah, I want to get this fixed. Alright. Alright, let's do pivot. Alright. I don't want to do the sudo command. Sudo is like, it's like sudo, it's like super admin. Alright. Yeah, okay, it's version 20 now. It means version 16, so it's way too low, probably. I'm gonna wait this to load, hopefully. Alright, perfect. Let's see what we do this time. Oh look, perfect. Now it works. Yes, so for this folder, perfect. All right, let's get started with the good things. All right. Okay. What do we want to do here? Let's do Python manage.py start app. We'll get started with authentication. Oh shoot! Try to install Django. We need to install Django. And just in case I forgot, I'm gonna add a .get ignore file because alright, I'm just gonna say VME. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore that. And all the PyCache. The PyCache we can ignore as well. Okay. Alright. So now let's go create a new app. And we'll call it authentication. Yeah, so you're gonna add it to your to settings first. Right there. Let's call it authentication. Delete. Okay. URLs. Just include pass. Alright, so in here we can say us. Let's call it us. Include authentication.urls. Perfect. And now got urls.py. From Django.urls import pass. From .import views URL patterns equals to square bracket. Alright, so views. Let's go ahead and define register. Login view. And logout view. Okay, listen to me, please. All right, perfect. Okay, so now how would this work? So what information do we want to keep track of? Well, we want to keep track of their status, right? Are they a student? Are they a teacher? Or are they, student, teacher? There's really only these two roles, students or teacher. Well, maybe we don't really have to do roles yet. It's like everyone can be a teacher, everyone can be a student simultaneously. So if you want, you can join a teacher as a student, join a teacher as or join a classroom, not join a teacher, join a classroom as a student, join a classroom as a co-teacher, or join a classroom, or create a classroom. Yeah, create a classroom. All right, so let's go ahead and do this, shall we? Alright, so let's say from Django.contrib.os.models import user.objects.create. So of course in here we have to say request.method equals post. And of course this belongs here. User equals that. And then, so in here we can say first name. I can just say name. Last name. What else do we want? First name, last name, their email address. Password. Anything else beyond that? I think that's pretty much it. Let's say first name equals first name, last name equals last name, username equals to email, email equals email, and password equals password. Alright, perfect. And then we can say from Django.contrib.auth import authenticate, login, logout. Yeah, we can log this user into this request, return HTTP request response. We can say, registered successfully. Or do we, how about this? Let's just redirect them to the home page. Okay. Alright, so get that set up. Otherwise, render request slash and here we can say authentication slash authentication slash register.html. Perfect, done. As always, go get some Bootstrap. Make our website somewhat not ugly. Somewhat not ugly. Okay. So let's create a base. register template. Let's copy you, paste you right here. And we'll do a div.container block name and block. So these are some standard stuff. Okay. Perfect. What else do we want? What else do we want here? Okay. Should be it for base. Let's just create one for register.html. And so let's go get a form ready. Oh, this will work. So we can say extends authentication / register.html block title and block register block main. Oh my. There we go. And block. Alright, of course we can give a big OH1 heading. There we go. Email address, blah blah blah. Password, blah blah blah. Password, let's give a name. Let's call it. Yeah. What should we call the name? What do we call the name? We just email. Password. Name is password. Whatever. Delete you. Don't need a checkbox right now. Maybe. Maybe we don't need a checkbox. Who knows? Alright. Time for me to just copy and paste it. Do I have a first name example? No. No. Or whatever. Alright. Copy. Perfect. Okay. Sweet. Okay. F name. Text. We can call it F name here. Name will also be F name for first name. Alright. Guess we really copied this rather than. Okay, now I just need to replace F name as L name. L name. Done. Alright. Let's see. Should be good. Let's go here. Let's give it a pass. Use the register. Python manage apply run server. Yeah, apply migration, whatever, blah 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 blah. Alright. I only want to open once. Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm just so stupid. It's supposed to be base. That's why I said to avoid a recursion right here. I was avoiding this file. Hard refresh. There we go. Alright, perfect. First name, last name, email address, password. Done. Alright. Now let's create a file. called login.html. It does what it do. It does what it sounds like. Log in. Literally. Alright. So, we don't need first name and last name anymore, though they do need to have email. And that doesn't really matter. Password. Okay. So, alright, so here I can say for request method equals post first name. I really want to do the flash message Django thing. I know in Flask you can flash a message. I barely did it. I think I did it once in one other project, but I really want to use it more often. Email address. Oh, I should use my quick auth. I remember I made a reusable Django app. Well, I should probably use it. One of those days we will. Alright. Okay, and then here we can say user equals authenticate. Email. Username equals email. Password. And request dot. If user is not none, then we won't go and log them in. Otherwise, and then redirect them to slash. Of course, this thing's bugging out. I'm begging you. Leave me alone. Alright. Alright, if it's not none, log them in. Otherwise, I want to redirect them back to auth, register, or login. Yeah. And they're gonna flash a message. I want to see if this does what I want. Yeah, it does flash a message. Good. Settings. Let's make sure I have this. Is after syndication, before X-frame. Alright. Let's go settings. So it's okay, we'll have that. Alright. We're gonna say, let's see the source code. Oh, so these are some default tags. Sure. Alright. So in here, we can do this. Incorrect login credentials. Let's copy you. So this will be in the base, so everyone will have it. Supposedly. Theoretical. Sure, whatever. Alright. Okay, now. Let's see. So that's how we do Flash, I think. Close enough. log out. Well, that's fairly easy. Alright. Have faith in my code that this part will work. So I tested it out on my own time, so you guys don't have to boringly watch me to test it. If there's anything that doesn't work, I will let you guys know in the next video. But yeah, this is pretty much all we did. Well, all we'll do in this video is set up. It's just really a syndication system. So in the next video, we're probably going to keep working on the we're not going to continue work on this syndication system. It's pretty much done. We're going to work on the classroom. So actually be able to create a classroom, join a classroom. If we have time, we'll probably create assignment, submit assignment. We're going to make it fancy, like figure out how to upload files, convert files, I don't know, stuff like that, or even create a Google Doc. Or even Google OS. We'll see. But yeah, that's all we'll do in this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That was me. Out.